We at Safe2Sip offer a simple, powerful, more cost-effective way to tackle the water crisis in developing nations through its unique product, the LifeMap. Today, 1.8 billion people still don't have access to clean drinking water. According to the World Health Organization, 3.4 million people die every year as a result of water-related diseases. Most of these are young children who die because of raw sewage contamination. The First World has the money and the resources to stop these deaths, but why haven't we done so? Because the current methods used by non-government organizations in their water programs are complicated, expensive, and time-consuming. The LifeMap device directly connects rural communities with those NGOs who have the power to make a change. It provides both NGOs and the local communities with rapid, live, and comprehensive information that allows us to make a difference and save lives.
When the LifeMap device is placed in water, it takes multiple readings of water safety and analyzes the data. Our device empowers the local community by either notifying them that the water is safe, instructing them how to treat the water, or redirecting the user to the closest nearby safe water source. At the same time, each Safe2Sip device also sends the data to the LifeMap website, where a summary is mapped in a clear and simple way. This directly helps NGOs and governments to gain a live and comprehensive view of the water issues for the areas being monitored, and to respond in a much more targeted and cost-efficient way.
LifeMap recognizes that partnerships will be an important part of our growth, so we are seeking partnerships with research and big data organizations. We currently have an early stage relationship with a non-for-profit organization that is willing to give us access to their network in Africa and India for the purposes of beta testing the LifeMap device.
While LifeMap has a global humanitarian goal, its device is also suitable for use in the First World. It can monitor water quality and levels in rainwater tanks, or in local creeks and waterways. Revenue from the First World can also support its commercial deployment in the Third World. LifeMap will be commercialized using a subscription-based revenue model. Aid organizations, governments, and commercial entities will be able to access different Safe2Sip device and data packages based on the payment of a monthly fee. Given the nature of its product, LifeMap's sales and marketing will be based on a direct and personal approach to decision makers in NGOs and governments who currently invest in addressing the water crisis. This will have an initial aim of capturing just a small percentage of their significant water program budgets. This personal approach will be supported by the LifeMap website, which will visually represent the magnitude of the water crisis, as well as an informative brochure.
There is nothing else in the market today like the LifeMap. Its groundbreaking technology-based approach ensures the first mover advantage. Its business model, based on controlling the data, will also discourage competitors. LifeMap will appeal to a wide range of interests, whether commercial or humanitarian. The bottom line is, the LifeMap business can replace the current, expensive, and largely inefficient methods currently used in water quality programs around the world, and can save millions of lives.